Hello. Yes, good morning, everybody. I hope you can hear my voice and also see my screen. So today I want us to start off with NASDAQ. I want us to see exactly what we expect to be happening on this instrument today and possibly during the next few days. So as it is right now, this looks to me like we are in a very good downtrend. If you draw a trend like this, you can see that we had a very good support zone. We had a very good support zone here. We had another support zone here. We had another one here, and we had another one here. So as it is right now, the price looks like the price is attempting to break to close below the same line. If the price can successfully descend and close below this level here, then that will be a good place to consider looking for long-term sell positions. We will expect that the sellers are going to continue to push us downwards, at least up to this level here. So the idea here basically is to keep looking for sell positions, expecting that the sellers are going to push us much lower up to this level here. If this is broken, then we will expect a breakout and a close below this point to push the price even lower up to the next level, which is this level here. So either you continue to look for a sell below this line, expecting a continuation towards this level here or even this level, or you may wait for price to again pull back upwards above this line to pick a buy position, expecting that the buyers are going to push us upwards at least up to this level here. So the idea here basically is to watch for buy positions. If the price can pull back upwards and touch, if the price pulls back up and ends up above this line, then that will be a good sign that we may see a continuation upwards up to this level here. So you may look for a buy order. If the price goes above that line, you may be interested in buy positions, expecting that the buyers are going to continue to push us upwards. But if for some reasons the price again breaks and closes below the same line, then that will be a good place to consider looking for a sell from. So that should be my opinion on that chart, on that given instrument. It's a both-sided analysis where we do expect that either the price can go upwards or the price can go to the lower side. The other chart which I want us to look at is the natural gas. This is a very good downtrend. As you can see, it looks like the price has been bearish for some times. Now the price has been continuing to the lower side. We want to use the moving average to do more analysis on this one. You can see. So on this chart, basically, from what we can see happening is that the price has been in a very good downtrend, and we do of course expect it to continue downwards. You can see where the sellers came in from. Look at this point here. We had a very good downtrend. We had a very good uptrend from this point. We had a very good uptrend. So as it is now, we've had a very good downtrend, and the price continues to give us more sell signals on this given time frame. So as it is now, you are supposed to be focusing on sell positions from around this level here. So we keep looking for sell orders, expecting that the price is going to extend even lower and even break and close below this level here. So on this chart, basically, we are bearish, we are sellers, we are looking for more sell positions. We do expect that the sellers are going to continue to push us downwards. So if you're on this chart as you're speaking now, you're supposed to be focusing on sell positions, expecting the sellers to push us even lower. So that's my opinion on the natural gas. The other chart which I want us to look at is gold. If you're wondering the period for this moving average, the one I've used now, the first one, the fastest one is 15 period moving average. The second one is 30 period moving average, and the last one 60 period moving average. So all of them, I've just used them together. Now this is gold. And on gold, so far, in my opinion, I think the price is going to head to the lower side. I'm going to explain why I think that is the case. So look at what was happening here. We had a very good support here. We had a very good support here. And we had a very good support level here. We had a very good support here. And we had a very good resistance. This was a sort of a resistance, not as good as such, but we had a resistance, a better one, and then we had another one here. So as it is right now, if the price can pull upwards and touch this trend line, this should give us a good place to look for a sell from. We will be expecting that the sellers are going to push us downwards after touching this level. If the price goes up and touches this level, if it does not break and close above it, then this is going to be a good place to consider looking for a sell from. So we will be looking for a sell when the price touches this level. We will be expecting the sellers to come in strongly from around that area, expecting that the sellers are going to push us back to the lower side, at least up to this level here. So if you're on this chart, you are supposed to be focusing on sell positions as long as the price is below this trend line, expecting that the sellers are going to push us downwards up to this level. If this is broken, then we will expect the price to extend even lower up to around this line, which is 19.79. So we are supposed to pick a sell position here up to this target. If this is broken, then we will expect the price to extend even lower up to this level here. So that is my opinion on these charts. That's my opinion on this chart here. The other chart which I want us to have a look at, I want us to look at silver. Sorry, yes, silver. We have it here. So on silver so far, we also do have a very good range on this one. So we have a very good resistance trend line, and then we have another one, a very good supportive trend line. So you can see that we had a false breakout here. Previously, we were having a very good resistance here. We had a resistance here, and we had a resistance here, and we had a support here. Then we had a support here. So as it is right now, if the price can move up and touch this trend line, this is going to be a good place to look for a sell from. So if the price goes up and touches this trend line, if it does not break and close above it, this should give us a good place to look for a sell from. We may look for a sell here, expecting the sellers to push us downwards at least up to this level here. If this is broken, then we will expect the price to extend even lower. But if the price can break and close above this trend line, then that will be a good sign that we are now continuing upwards at least up to this level here. So we have a very good resistance. If the price goes up and touches this resistance, this should give us a good place to look for a sell from. So thank you very much. That should be the end of today's analysis. We'll meet again tomorrow at the same time. Thank you and see you.